Hey designers, it's Maggie from My Design Coach. Illustrator just made our lives a lot easier with a small but mighty update. You can now resize your artboard and the artwork on it at the same time. Let me show you how this new feature works and why it's a game changer for layout flexibility. The days of us clicking on the artboard tool, clicking on an artboard and enlarging it, and then having to click on the artwork itself and enlarging that separate, those days are over. Thanks to a new tool Illustrator has provided us. Simply click on your artboard tool, navigate to the top, click on the icon that has two artboards with an arrow pointing to the top right corner. Hover over the right top corner of your artboard until you see the arrow for scaling. Hold Shift to maintain proportions and enlarge, and there you have it. And just like that, you can resize both your artboard and your design in one smooth move. If this tip saved you some time, give the video a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more Illustrator updates and smart design shortcuts. Until next time, keep designing responsibly and keep an eye out for the little tools that make a big difference. Thanks so much for watching. If this video was helpful, give it a like so I know to keep making more like it. And don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so you never miss a new tip. If you have a video request or topic you're stuck on, drop it in the comment. I'd love to hear from you. I'm also working on something really exciting, a complete college curriculum, industry-focused online design education program built just for creatives like you. Whether you're brand new, growing your skills, or working towards a career in design, this will be your go-to resource. You'll be learning from a college professor, that's me, and the program will cover beginner through advanced skills, real-world projects, portfolio building, and options for feedback and support, like having a design mentor right in your pocket. It'll be subscription-based with flexible tiers depending on the level of support that you're looking for. Check out My Design Coach, link in the description, for updates and early access. In the meantime, there's plenty more to explore here on the channel, so stick around, keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video.